Hello, good evening everyone. So, I am Asbiya P S, second MSW student of RCNAVID. For my counseling paper presentation, uh, I'm going to take the topic Campbell Interest and Skill Survey. So, about Campbell Interest and Skill Survey, as the name suggests, it is pronounced by David Campbell. David Campbell, and it is basically a survey which will help us to know about the interest and skill areas of our interest also. So when in this generation, everyone is basically everyone is having a doubt about what they have to choose for their future, and also through this survey they can know about their interest, and according to that interest they can improve their skills and choose a occupation related to that. So uh, our survey, our CISS, that means Campbell Interest and Skill Survey, have mainly 7 orientation scale, 29 basic scale, and 58 occupational scale, and 2 special scales. So going to the topic, the Campbell Interest and Skill Survey is a survey of self-reported interest and skills. Its major purpose is to help individuals understand how their interests and skills map into the occupational world. So there are mainly 200 interest items on the basis of a rate level of interest on a 6-point scale, uh, which means there is a 6-point scale for this survey. The first one is strongly like, strongly dislike, scores like that. The scores will indicate the strength of attraction for each occupation area, is students or a person's interest to that occupational area. So it also has 120 skill items also. So the major 7 orientation scales are influencing, organizing, helping, creating, analyzing, producing, and adventuring. The influencing means make those who have the ability to make things happen, and for those who likes organizing, it means that bring orderliness and planfulness to the working environment. And the third one, helping, means providing personal services. Creating means ability to create new product or new vision and new concept, like that. The next one, analyzing, means comfortable with the data and numbers. And the sixth one, producing, it means work with hands and see in this visible results of labor. The seventh one, the last one, is adventuring, which means physical activities and competitive situations. When we look into these 7 orientation scales, we can get a small idea about what this means. So we can go more about this topic. So in the basic scale, for the influencing, the jobs or the area of interest of that persons will be of leadership, public speaking, advertising or marketing, or law or politics or sales, which these are the fields which will be having a an area where they will be able to influence people. So if I can influence people, then I can choose these jobs, like leadership, like if I can influence people easily, I can lead a team easily. So public speaking also, because while speaking to the public, it will be easy if the person has that charm to influence other people. Advertising also, the for advertising or marketing things, we need a person who have that ability to grab others attention, and also they can also do this. And law or politics also, in law and politics and all, knowing the basic is not that matter. They should have the ability to make people understand about it, and they should have the ability to influence the people into what they think. So that also, that are for the basic scale for the influencing people. So for the organizing, supervision, office practice, and financial services, those who like to organize things, they can supervise easily, they can make other people do what they would like to change in that area and all, and office practices also, because in offices and all, we need a set of we will be having a set of rules and all. So only those who have that power to organize the things easily, they will be having that much of an energy to do these things all and all. And for the third one, helping adult development, child development, medical practice, counseling, and religious activities. Like in hospitals and all, we'll be needing people to help other people. When a patient comes into the hospital, we will need a person who can help others, who can build a rapport with them easily, and uplift them and all. So for the adult development, child development, and medical practices, these helping people are needed. And the next one, the creating, the those who have the creative skills and all, they can do good in art or design, writing, fashion, performing arts, international activities, culinary arts and all. So those who have that creative thing inside them, they can do things like street play, puppetry. And for those who knows how to draw and all, they can draw things and design things and all. Those who have that ability to write and all, they can do the writings and all. So the next one, analyzing. For analyzing, those who have the ability to analyze more precisely and all, they can go for mathematics science, because they need precise things and all in mathematics and science, because observation skill and analyzing skill is much needed in those fields. For the producing, for those who like to produce, have the skill to produce, they can choose mechanical crafts, farming or forestry, animal care, woodworking, plants, gardening, and etc., because they like to produce things. For the adventuring, athletics, physical fitness, military, law enforcement, risk adventures like that. For mountain climbing, they can train people. For the skydiving also, they can choose that as their occupational field. So the occupations that we like, until this time, we spoke about the skills they can the skills they have due to that things and all. For the occupations, influencing, they can become attorney, financial planner, hotel manager, manufacturers rep, marketing director, a real estate, a CEO or president, HR, school superintendent, accountant, PR director, corporate trainer, everything. For the organizing, secretary, bank manager, insurance agent, real retail store manager, hospital administrator, accountant, bookkeeper, and all. For the helping, a child care worker, social worker, guidance counselor, religious leader, teacher, psychologist, nursing, and all. For the creating, commercial artist, fashion designer, liberal arts, so librarian, musician, translator, writer, editor, restaurant manager, chef, etc. For the analyzing, physician, chemist, medical researcher, math or science teacher, computer programmer, statistician, or system analyst. For the producing, carpenter, electrician, veterinarian, airline mechanic, landscape architect, normal architect, and all. For lastly, for the adventure, they can choose police officer, military, sky instructor, test pilot, athletic coach, trainer, emergency medical technician, fitness instructor, and all. So these are the basic skills that we talked about. For the special skills, there are mainly two special skills. The first one is based on the academic focus. So as assesses the attraction to and comfort in educational or academic settings, not academic success or failure. And for the extraversion, the second one assesses under differentiated attraction to people and confidence in working with others. These are the things for the used for the academic focus and all, extraversion focus. So these are the things that we can analyze or attain through the Campbell Campbell Interest and Skill Survey. So, through this, if I am in doubt about what I can do in my future, I can do the survey on my own, or with with the help of other people like social workers, psychologists, or school counselors or someone. We can seek their help, and we can analyze what all skills that we have, or what all interest we have, and we can based on our interest we can improve our skills and attain a job that will satisfy us. So this is about my topic. Thank you.